Hello all. In this session I'll be showing you how to construct this exercise using AutoCAD. For that, let me draw one vertical axis followed by one horizontal axis. Then I'll start with a smaller circle. I'll go with AutoCAD. I'll take a line. I'll draw one vertical axis line, then one horizontal. That horizontal, drop it at the bottom here at this point. Okay, let me draw one simple horizontal. Yes, there I'll try to draw circle. This circle of diameter 28. Here two holes, 28 dia means two holes. This is first hole, this is the second hole, means both are maintaining same diameter 28. So I'll draw a circle of here 28 diameter. Nothing but 14 is the radius. One circle is drawn. Now next, same circle at an offset distance of 110 mm, there is one more circle of 14. So for that I'll use a command called offset O, enter, through enter this line to be at a distance of 110. There I need to draw one more circle of diameter 28, 14 radius. So two circles created, this circle and the top one, followed by concentrically here if you'll see there is one more circle of 28 radius. This circle, no, from the center there is one more radius of 20, here, a radius of 28 concentrically. So 20 and 28 circle. From this point 20 means 10 is the radius and 28 control Z. Wait a minute. Let me see the dimensions once again. 20 radius, directly 20 is the radius given. So I'll take a circle from this point, 20 is the radius. Similarly, to here it says 28 is the radius. Again I'll directly click enter. I'll go with the previous command 28. Now we got two concentrical circles above and below. In between two circles there is one more curve, this curve of radius 85. In between there should be a curve of radius 85. For that I'll directly go to an option called tan radius. Between this one and this one with a radius of 85. I'll take TR, double enter. Unwanted things I'll remove. This is not required. This is also. And this curve, by escaping, I can simply delete. This is how the curve look like. If you look at the sketch, this curve we got already. This curve need to be drawn now. 185. This curve is of radius 185. For that, again I'll go with an option called tan radius. Will not work out here. This tan radius will not work out. From this point till this point it is 185. It will take the outer periphery. So the curve should be in a reverse direction. That will not work out for all the cases. Okay. This case the curve is coming inside. Here the curve is going outside. So this will not work out. For that we need to go with some other options. Here in arc you have an option called start, end and radius. Okay, because radius is given starting point, ending point it will give. Radius 185 is already there existing. So from this point shift right click tangent, from this point till shift right click tangent till this point. There should be a radius of, click on effect, the radius of 185. Again I went wrong. Selection was wrong. It is 185 radius only. First point, second point, 185. This is how the tangent look like. But this is not moving tangentially. Let me delete this line for some time, then check. This curve also I'll remove, then I'll reconstruct. Here I'm getting a quadrant option, so simply I'll take shift right click tangent, somewhere away we are getting it. Let me check. All are turned on. Shift, I'll take the curve, shift right click tangent. Okay, simply I'll take this quadrant with this point with a radius of, okay, again wrong pick. Top I need to select first. From here till the point, it is around 185. This is how the curve look like. Now here we need to remove unwanted. What are unwanted? Let us see the sketch. Internally this portion need to be removed. This top portion need to be removed. For that TR double enter is the option. This one and this one. Not required. These two also not required. This is how it look like. Then here with this as center, there is one more radius called 40. Go with center radius. From this, take the cursor onto the curve, you will get the center. A radius of 40. I'll directly take 40. Similarly, there is one more radius of bottom. If you look at, there is one more radius 28. 28. So again, I'll say enter from this point 28 as radius. One more circle I'll get. So now I just need to drop a horizontal here. This is important. Horizontal is required. Here also one more horizontal. Done. So in between there are two curves. Have a look. This curve is passing. This curve is passing with a radius of 140. 140 on both the sides. So simply I'll go with the option. I'll take again here. I'll go with 3 point. This one. Start end radius is one option. Start end radius from this point till this point with a radius of 140. Let me check the dimensions once again. Radius of 140, correct. 140. Yes, this is one curve. Now the same curve can be mirrored. The same curve I can mirror with respect to vertical. No. Now remove one more. TR double enter. This is not required. This is also. And here this one and this. These are the curves not required. So other than this I can delete, and this curve also. Finally, this is how the shape look like. Internally there is a hatching. To draw that hatching, I just remove these two lines. Then I'll say H, enter. Here is a hatching. I need to remove vertical also actually. I just keep it in ANSYS 131 followed by 20. This is how it is going to look like. Finally, there is a hole here at an offset distance of 47 from the top. So this is done. I'll take a line passing through the center. I'll take this line. Keep F8 on. Now I need to offset that to a distance of 47. O double enter this to be at a distance of 47. To drop a circle or to draw a circle, vertical is needed, which is 30 mm offset. This to be at a distance of 3 offset. Here I need to draw a circle 16 diameter. There I supposed to draw circle of 8 radius, 16 means. This is how the sketch looks like. I want these two lines, these two, like a center line followed by thin lines. This is how the sketch look like. This is the final sketch. So this is how we need to plan when a sketch is given to you with all the dimensions. If you are familiar with all the sketch tools, modifying tools followed by the properties, then it becomes very easy to draw any sketch. If you have anything to ask related to the exercise, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.